Whoa, slow down, Dave. Slow down. We're going to pause. We had a little malfunction and then we'll resume. All right, that's what happens when sometimes the GoPro turns on uh, in different modes. It usually turns on in standard recording mode, but in this time it somehow turned on without me realizing it in hyperlapse mode. So we are we'll resume the video here in just a second. We did make it west of Waco, Texas. We are in Valley Mills, Texas. We had a little delay. Nothing out of the ordinary. Everything's good. But I guess I'll just resume the video and try to salvage what I can of it. I think the rest of the files are going to be okay, so we'll just continue on here. Now, if I've been about 20 minutes earlier, it's really starting to get light out fast. But you can see, the Christmas lights at the tops, and these murals on this building here. There's a nice train one, and here's a storefront for looks like it's available. But what a nice little town this is. There's a salon, and I guess it's called the Cattleman's Wife. And yeah, good morning, everybody. Valley Mills, Texas is waking up. That's the First National Bank over there. Just a really nice row of old buildings. And over here, I don't know if that's what this is here. If that's like a second-hand shop. What's that say? What's that say anyway? Back Torch Antiques. So there's some other. I think there's a little cafe down the ways here too. Probably people in getting some breakfast. But I'll walk across the street here in a minute and have a look at this side of Main Street. That's what it's called. Okay. Yeah, even the church and the building, whatever that other building is down there, is lit up. And that looks like, what is that over there? Oh, I know. There's a clue over there. It might have been that was probably a hardware store or saw shop, because those are all big saw blades. So yeah, I like these old corner. I wouldn't be surprised if there wasn't some old gas pumps in front of that. Maybe that was a corner gas station / hardware store, general store, that sort of thing. Oh wait, we got to catch this. Get ready. Hang on. Bella. She's like, what are you doing out there? All right, let's go look over here a second. So yeah, it's getting really light out. You can't. Wish I'd been just a little earlier. Just a little earlier. Yep, I have the camcorder, and I'm trying. I've been working with it a little bit lately, trying to get smoother with it. Got a ways to go, I think. All right, and the other thing that there is on these, one thing I love about some small towns is when they have they have an old clock that's functioning. Yep, they can usually be found in front of a bank. So yes, small town, Texas. Let's get a little focus here, please. Can we get some focus? Can we get some focus? Oh, there we go. I was doing pretty good, but now I'm going to start getting all shaky. Let's wrap this up here. We're going to continue on into West Texas. We're getting pretty central. We're getting pretty central Texas here in Waco, or a little bit west of Waco. And let's see here. Yep, there we go. We got lucky that it was kind of clear for a little bit here. It's a little foggy out the road there. Alright, we're going to be on our way. So I pulled out and I decided to pull back in for a second because it was a big temptation. We're just on our way out of town. And here is the best donuts and I don't know how that's Kolache shop. Kolache shop. But they open at 5 a.m. They got hot chocolate and hot coffee, donuts. That's pretty tempting this morning. But I'm trying to start staying away from the temptation of donuts and stuff. Oh no. I think this road puts us through Dublin, Texas. I hope, you know, there's another temptation. I believe Dublin, Texas is where the original Dr. Pepper bottling plant, you know, originated. And it's there was a dispute between Dr. Pepper and since they grew and have a you know, newer facility and way back in the day, then there was a dispute whether the Dublin Bottle Works could still manufacture Dr. Pepper in its original recipe. And anyway, they don't. We won't get into that. There's a lot of history on that dispute, but the Dublin Bottle Works still has their own little bottling thing going on, and they, you know, make some, you know, grape and orange and cherry and root beer, and but the thing is, the Dublin Bottle Works still uses pure cane sugar in their beverages, and it's delicious. And so there's plenty of calories to go around, but I mean, still, unless you buy diet, you know, soda or pop, I mean, even the whatever they use nowadays in most, you know, it's still loaded with calories. I really don't know that it's any worse than calories. I don't know that the more natural product of pure cane sugar is probably actually better for you. Than it's just the idea of you know, when I do drink, it's usually a diet thing. I can do without the extra calories. Last time I was in Dublin, I bought a case, and I stretched it out. You know, one here and one there. It's not the end of the world. I might, if this puts us through, I think Dublin's like 50 miles. I seen a sign back there, and I think I got to turn in about 30. Turn in 30 to stay on 6. Anyway, if we end up going through Dublin and they're open, it's another one of them temptations. One of them delicious, yummy temptations. And we'll see where we end up. What else going on up here? I think somebody's got a broken fence. Wow. Them guys are coming out of their fence pretty bad. Come on, get in there. Get back in there. Get back in there. Go on. Get in there. I know, Bella. Alright, we're all back in. I hope that rancher heard me down here beating my horn. Seen them critters all getting back into their pasture. That's good. Speed limits on this road being 75 miles an hour, and I'm not kidding, this is two-way traffic, 75 miles an hour. We could have been having ourselves a big Texas-sized barbecue, and probably had to do some repairs to the bounder. Now, Bonner's got good brakes. We slowed her down pretty. We had her all under control. Of course, I'm not doing 75. You know, 60, 65, but there's plenty of passing zones. A few people go around me. A lot of people just think, oh, it's fast enough. All right, for a minute there, I was thinking maybe I have it wrong. Maybe I have Dublin confused with something else, but there's directions. There's there's directions. It's 4-minute walking time. Let's switch to driving time. Oh yeah, Dublin Bottle Works. Hey boy.
Head west on East Blackjack Street toward South Grafton Street.
Oh no, Dublin
Bottling Works Co. may be closed today.
Oh no. Are you kidding me? Oh jeez. Let's just no, let's just go check maybe. There's good news, bad news, and more bad news. I guess the good news is I've come less than a block out of my way, so we didn't waste a bunch of gas. Yeah, it's expensive. It's cost some getting some money. You know, the bad news is they are closed today, but the even probably worse bad news is attention value customers, Old Dock Soda Shop and Museum is permanently closed. That is bad. Yeah, the museum part is closed. Wait a minute. There was some cool stuff in there. That's okay. Oh, that's the place across the street, I think. Museum Annex entrance. Yeah. Okay. So is the soda shop. Huh. So yeah, the Dublin Dr. Pepper Bottling Company. Let me see here. This might be something that you might want to hit pause and read. Okay, now, yeah, employees only. But that up there too was, well, and I don't know if you can see that. We can maybe try to zoom in here and see some old bottles in there in the machine. Yeah, we toured this. I did make a video of this before. We have been here before. And made a video. I bought a case. They allow you to mix and match. I bought a case of assorted flavors, and gosh, I really enjoyed that. That's the capping machine. Well, we're out of luck here. Here's an old who is this? I forget who the guy is. The Bill Closter. I think he founded the place. Look at old Dr. Pepper cooler with a bottle opener thing on the corner. This is unfortunate. I'm kind of sad. I'm kind of sad. Yeah, there's I don't know if you can read them bottles or not, but one says Dublin Texas root beer. Yeah, man, oh man. Let me see here. Yeah. Wow, there's Big Red. Big Red is the cherry. You probably can't see very well in here anyway. That is unfortunate. No tasty beverages today, and I gotta tell you, they are just I just enjoyed them so much. They're such a treat. Really refrigerated properly, good and cold. One of those is just, I just enjoy them so much. All right, blah blah blah. All right, I don't know what we're doing here. We're gonna continue on towards Abilene. We'll stop and we're also getting to the part of Texas too where, and there's been plenty already, a lot of these small towns have these little RV parks where It's like, seems like the further west you get, the cheaper they get. In here, this part of Texas, I've seen a number of them. I was doing some research uh, on my campground finder app thingy, and I've seen quite a few. There's a number of them on the way, but I think we're just gonna go ahead and pass those. We might go to Abilene State Park or somewhere. I don't know. The day's not done yet. See cows over there? Where's them cows? Huh? You love seeing cows. All right, we stopped in some little town again. Come on, let's get back here a little bit, Bella. Gosh, what's the name of this little town? I forget. But I want to take Bella for a little walk back there, and then stop at one of those picnic areas. We still might, and I passed one up. I thought, you know, something caught my attention here in this little town. I thought, well, I'll just stop a minute anyway and just let Bella over in a grassy area. But here's they have this, I don't know what this is. It might be just a private residence here. There might be like 2 apartments. But look at the style. I mean, it's I mean, there's no signs out here saying that it's some kind of restaurant, or maybe it's a bed and breakfast. You know, I don't know. Cool wishing well, just a water well there, and a old lamp post. Then over here is a similar thing. Now this is a business. This is Bob and Brenda's Burgers and Pizza. And I don't know who's cooking what. It's early. I think they're open, but something in the air smells terrifically good. Come on, Bella. Come on. I don't know what's cooking. Yeah, just love the style of it. What a cool looking pizza shop. Burgers and Pizza. Bob and Brenda's. This town is, I'll put it below. We're gonna go find the bounder again. Oops. Oh, Bella's got me Bella's giving me a I think something's got her nose going too. Something smells fantastic. But maybe it's this my casa restaurant, Mexican restaurant over here. Maybe they're getting things wound up for the lunch hour coming on here. I don't know what time they open. Yeah, I'm getting hungry. What do you think, Bella? Huh, girl? Bella. She's a good girl. We're gonna go ahead and try to make our way over to Abilene, Texas and beyond today. Maybe over somewhere around Midland, Texas, maybe further. But I think that's all we're gonna do today as far as sightseeing. We're gonna try to get some miles behind us. Try to pick up the pace and get on over to Arizona. The month is rolling by, and I want to be out there before, geez, at this rate I'll be lucky to make it by Christmas. So we're going to pick up the pace and get out there soon. So thanks for coming along today. We'll be back soon, and we'll see you.